Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morris County in northern New Jersey. This includes the city of Morristown, Somerset County in northern New Jersey. This includes the city of Somerville, Hunterdon County in northwest New Jersey, southeastern Sussex County in northwest New Jersey. This includes the city of Newton, southern Warren County in northwest New Jersey, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from 6 miles northeast of Highland, Milford, along the line extending from 24 miles northwest of Patterson to 11 miles south of Easton, and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Green Pond, Mount Arlington, Long Valley, and High Bridge around 5:05 p.m. Wharton, Succossana, Lake Telemark, and Clinton around 5:10 p.m. Rockaway and Lebanon around 5:15 p.m. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. In addition to damaging winds, heavy rain will occur with these storms and cause low lying and poor drainage flooding. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday evening for New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren.